Welcome, beautiful souls. Today I was guided to pull two powerful guidance cards to help us restore mind, body, and spirit. These cards offer insight for healing, not just ourselves, but the parent and child within and the karma we carry. Let's open to the wisdom they bring and step into greater balance and peace. Restore mind, body, and spirit. True healing happens when you align mind, body, and spirit, reconnect to your essence. Heal parent child karma. Healing the bond with your parents frees you from the past. It's time to heal old wounds and move forward. These two cards remind us that true healing happens when we align our mind, body, and spirit. By healing the bond with our parents, we free ourselves from the past and step into greater peace, balance, and self empowerment.